Hello everyone, and welcome back to A2Z Ozone. In this video, we will be going over 5 more industrial applications of ozone generators. Do not forget to check out our website, where you can find our ozone generators and blog posts. Number 5. Oil refining. Desulfurization. Ozone can be used in the oil refining process for desulfurization. It helps remove sulfur compounds from crude oil, contributing to the production of cleaner fuels. Number 4. Water and wastewater treatment. Disinfection. Ozone is used to disinfect water by killing bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms. It's particularly effective in eliminating pathogens and reducing the need for chemical disinfectants like chlorine. Number 3. Landfill leachate treatment. Organic contaminant removal. Ozone is used for the oxidation of organic contaminants in landfill leachate, contributing to the treatment of this complex wastewater. Number 2. Wood industry. Wood preservation. Ozone can be applied for the preservation of wood by eliminating fungi, insects, and other organisms that can degrade wood quality. Number 1. Cruise ship water treatment. Potable water disinfection. Ozone is applied in cruise ship water treatment systems to disinfect potable water and ensure the health and safety of passengers and crew. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Do not forget to check out our website, where you can find our ozone generators and blog posts.